Meaning of expediently.
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 Expediently. The word expediently means to do something in a manner that is convenient, practical, or advantageous. When you act expediently, you prioritize getting things done as quickly and efficiently as possible without wasting time or resources. This approach can lead to efficient results, but it can also sometimes cause problems if you sacrifice quality for speed. In general, being expedient can be a useful way to navigate complex situations quickly and effectively, but it's important to balance this with care and attention to detail to ensure good outcomes.